Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Small and medium-sized enterprises are set to get another boost following the launch of a private equity fund. The fund, which is based in the United States, is entering the Caribbean market with the help of Sagicor Investments. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
The new fund is called the SEEF Caribbean SME Growth Fund. The fund is starting with $40 million to be shared across different enterprises in the region. But as CEO of SEEF, Hubertus van der Vaart, explains, for now there's a cap on how much SEEF can invest.
And that's typically 15% of the total capital. So if we make it to the full 100 million, it would be 15 million, but we are normally going to be looking at something smaller, more in the $7 million as the cap. Which is still a lot of money, I think, for the region.
As for those who would like to access the investment pool, Mr. van der Vaart says the approval process can take up to 4 months.
There will be, as you see, these phases, and the faster the information is made available, the faster those phases get pushed.
On the local side, Sagicor says it will mostly play an advisory role.
That involves reviewing the different investments and deciding if they are suitable for the fund. So we'll chair that committee, and it also means that we'll be their partners here, helping them, guiding them through the different nuances of operating in the Caribbean space.
But SEEF won't be completely detached. In fact, the company is looking to set up its headquarters in Jamaica.
This fund is just one of many things that they'll be doing in the Caribbean, and everything will be local, will be based here in Jamaica. We're in the midst of finding them office space right now, and we're incorporating the company and setting it up. So they will be resident here with a Caribbean focus.
SEEF is an investment management group that provides growth capital and business assistance to SMEs in emerging and transition markets underserved by traditional sources of capital. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Prices on 87 and 90 gasoline are going down tomorrow by 13 cents each. Automotive diesel will, however, go up by $1.68 and ultra-low sulfur diesel by $1.02. Kerosene is costing $1.35 more. 5 cents will be added to the price of propane, while the price of butane will increase by 25 cents. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market today, selling $20 million to help meet demand. It follows Friday's sale of $30 million to the market. The Jamaican dollar has depreciated by 2% since the start of October. And despite the BOJ's intervention, currency trading ended with the Jamaican dollar losing value to the greenback. $1 is now selling for $138.93. The Jamaican dollar also reached a record low against the Canadian dollar, $106.16. The pound is costing $178.77, while the euro is going for $155.30. In today's trading session, the JSE index declined by 1,377 points, while the junior market index advanced by 4 points. Among the winners, Salada Foods, Kingston Properties, Medical, Disposables and Supplies, Stanley Motor and Access Financial Services. On the losing side, we had Jetcon Corporation, Consolidated Bakeries, iCreate, Everything Fresh and Epic Caribbean Property Fund. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.